yeah, if you guys can greet the people here and tell us about your channel, a little bit about yourself. Let's start with Chris.
Okay, hey guys, my name is Chris. If you don't know me, I was born and raised here in Cebu, and I'm still based here now. I'm so proud to be Cebuano. I started out as a blogger actually 10 years ago.
Yep.
So I wasn't on YouTube until I think 2 years ago, and I really discovered how amazing the YouTube community is. Everyone is so supportive, and it's such a great platform to be on, especially now, like what you guys said, because it's growing so fast, and it's just given me so much room to be creative, and so that's why I really enjoy being on YouTube.
Hi guys, my name is Neil, and I'm part of the team that is behind What to Play. It's a gaming channel that tells you or informs you what games are worth playing. Yeah, and we started about 5 years ago, and yeah, it's been a rough climb, but it's worth it. And there's a lot of things that you can learn, and there's a lot of ways that you can interact with your community.
Hi everyone, my name is Rhea and my channel is Rhea Ninja. So on my channel I post videos about career tips, BPO tips, and work-life balance. I started doing YouTube because I want to go out of my comfort zone since video is really very new to me and I'm very uncomfy with video. That's why I tried it, because I want to, again, try something new. And I also want to mix my corporate training experience and mix it with my creative side, because I'm a freelance content creator also based here in Cebu. So I've never stopped making videos since then.
Then,
Hello, my name is Finn Snow. I'm born and raised in Iceland. For the past 2 years, I've been living here in Cebu. And not only that, I've been mentioned before that I'm the adopted son of Cebu. But obviously not that, but I also got the Philippine residency.
yeah.
Is it better?
Yeah. Sorry. No, that's
Yeah, so I make travel content, basically real, raw, and adventures, because I saw a lot of videos out there that were, is this working? That were not like authentic and real. I thought always like travel videos were kind of fake, and you didn't. I got the feeling that not all was real. So I wanted to share something that was coming from the heart, do something different, and that meant going from A to B, not through like ferries or flying. I wanted to ask the local fisherman to take me around. So I wanted to do something different and showcase that.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you guys again. Thank you guys.
Hi kuya. Hi kuya.
I suck now.
Kuya, hi
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Kuya,
Thank you so
hi.
much. So if you'd like to approach them, you can.
What's up, everyone? Confident lang. Hello, everyone. My name is Margaret, and I'm doing vlogs specific to beauty and travel. But can I sit down? I really feel nervous right now.
Have you met Manolo?
Sorry, I him right now. Sorry.
He was singing a beautiful song later. Okay.
So hi guys, I started vlogging because I wanted to gain revenue to produce.
Yeah, you can.
Better. So I actually have projects. I do tree plantings, coastal cleanups, and because of that, I don't really have that much money. So start vlogging. Luckily, my channel got monetized.
Congratulations.
Waiting for the $100 threshold. So
Nice.
yeah, so I'm doing vlogs to help people out, help the community out.
Okay, so share with us. What are you going to start? Stop and continue.
So I'm gonna start using info cards, improve defaults, and improve my channel art.
Nice.
I'm gonna stop being lazy and utilizing important features of the tool.
Okay.
And I'm gonna continue uploading weekly. I actually do it every now and then in the week, but. And I'm gonna start. What am I writing?
I can't even read. Are you a doctor? What is that? Start.
Start focusing on content that is specific to my passion, and I'm gonna stop being so sensitive to my bashers, and I'm gonna continue engaging with audience, and spreading awareness and positivity.
All right, let's give it a round. Thank you, Margaret. Thank you so
Mabuhay
much.
Filipinos, and also
Yes.
the foreign people here. Thank you guys.
Right.
Please subscribe to my channel, Margaret. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ay, kuya. Ay, kuya. Oh my God. Ay, kuya.
Thank you.
It's here, mga itsuraan. Hi! Taning ovation lang sa tao. Kaya wala pa man sila lingkuran ng mga itsuraan. So, barog-barog na sa takaon sa Ravenjo. Hi!
What's your guys' channel?
YouNeilIt. YouNeilIt. It's YOUNILIT. YouNeilIt, because I know that.
YouNeilIt. Okay. Nice to meet you, Christian.
Yes.
Hey guys, subscribe to my channel. It's just special.
Hi, this is Bench, guys. Yeah, oh, that's pretty, ala, kung saan na yung tsuraan din. Just woke up. Wala na ako just woke up, guys. Just woke up, diba? Live show. Subscribe them, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. YouTube creator. Hi, John. Plug.
Subscribe to my channel.
Erica.
Hi guys!
Subscribe, plug.
Subscribe to my channel. It's Erica Hurt, and if not,
Hi, I'm Christian Lil. My YouTube channel is YouNeilIt. It's YOUNILIT. YouNeilIt, because I know that. Check
Wow, that's so nice, right? And then don't forget mga palangga, don't forget to subscribe si Rocky, mga palangga, kita-kita ito dito.
Yay! Thank you.
What's up, guys? It's me, Blake, from Beyond Reviews TV, and I'm here with Christian from Itsurakan, and make sure you watch this video soon.
Hitsuraan. YouNeilIt.
Hitsuran, YouNeilIt.
Yeah.
That's it. I got it right. Check out my channel as well, Beyond Reviews, and we'll see you guys next episode.
Yes.
Check this guy's channel out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Social media kanya. My YouTube channel is YouNeilIt. It's YOUNILIT. YouNeilIt. Because I do. I know what I like being YouTube creator or YouTuber is I want to express my music, especially in my field, and I just want to show to the world. Ooh, food. A lot of food here. Food style. So hi mga itsuraan, that's it for today mga itsuraan. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe me if you're new
Pasikat na
here.
ko, ma! Hi, ma!
Hi Kuya Rocky, Tito Rocky. So I'm so happy as always, because we're always happy mga itsuraan. Kaya nakamit ang mga new friends, especially na dili taga diri ang uban. Yes, see you next YouTube Creator Camp. Bye! So this is Crystal Q Pakanya saying nakasuot and water lang to. Bye!